Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy, also known as ETCG1 when posting videos to this channel. Hey, if it's your birthday, I want to wish you a very special happy birthday. If you're wondering about the origins of that and why I do it, I actually got it from Philip DeFranco. Years ago, he used to do that on his show. I'm talking like 2006-ish. I used to watch his show. So he started doing that. I started doing it for whatever weird reason. But that is the origin story of Eric the Car Guy, or ETCG1's happy birthday. So thank you, Philip DeFranco, for that. On with the show. Hey, that's my car! I've noticed since I got the Mini Cooper in particular that I see these stinking cars everywhere. And I don't know if it's the same with you, and I'm sort of putting this question out there. Like when you buy a new vehicle, do you notice that suddenly they're everywhere? You know, you might think you're unique and special, but then you're driving it along and you're like, wow, that's same color and everything as mine is. I see Mini Coopers everywhere. And after my other videos about this car, particularly the one about cars you love but probably shouldn't, you gotta wonder. Maybe I've put a dent in their market, I'm not sure. Obviously not, because once again, I see Mini Coopers everywhere and I'm starting to distinguish them now. And I look at them, I'm like, yeah, that's an R56 just like mine. You know, I'm beginning to notice the little badges and those types of things. And I'm sure that there are Mini enthusiasts out there. In fact, there were several who began to comment to my early videos about the Mini because I was a complete noob with them and I didn't know anything. I know a little more now, but not as much as the Mini enthusiasts. But the point of this video is to just put this out there. Are you like me? Have you purchased a vehicle or obtained a vehicle and suddenly you start seeing them everywhere when you didn't see them before? In fact, I even saw an Acura Vigor the other day, and strangely enough, like whenever I go to the pull parts, I almost always find an Acura Vigor in the yard. And I don't know what that is. That's a car I wouldn't find. So I don't know if it changes your eyes and your perception, and the cars that you're normally just saying that's a car, you're starting to say, hey, that's a car like mine. And you begin to notice them. I wonder if it's a phenomenon like that, or maybe you're just part of this larger, marketing machine, and you've succumbed to their campaign of wanting you to buy X vehicle. Who knows? I'm curious as to what your thoughts are, because for me, this seems to happen an awful lot, and I'm wondering if the same thing happens to you. So, when you get a new vehicle, or you get a used vehicle, a vehicle that's new to you, do you start seeing the thing everywhere, all over the place, like I do with this Mini Cooper, or no, you never see them again, or you have something so unique that nobody's ever going to see it? Who knows? Anyway, I'll put links in the description to additional stuff that you might find interesting. I will also put a link in the description to ericthecarguy.com, which is where I ask you to go if you have automotive questions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All those things that help me make a living. I really appreciate that. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. I will see you next time. Maybe in the same car. Who knows?